So how do we add our Bluetooth speakers here, as you can see, to our PlayStation 4? Well, we're not able to do so on the PlayStation 4 settings itself because it doesn't recognize other Bluetooth devices. But what we can do instead is to add it to our TV, which is a workaround. So I'm just gonna click on the home button here on my controller and then go into settings and then all settings here and then remotes and accessories. So the reason why we need to add it to our TV instead here is because when it's added to our TV, the PlayStation will automatically recognize it as a sound source. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So click on pair accessory, and now I'm just gonna put my Bluetooth speaker into pairing mode by clicking on the power button here, as you can see, until it turns on here. So when it turns on, I'm just gonna click on the OK button here, and it's gonna look for my specific speakers. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's, I think actually I've connected it before, so maybe it's already connected. Yeah, it's here already. So I'm just gonna unpair it real quick, just so I can show you exactly how to do this from the get-go. So it's gonna now search for my Bluetooth speakers here, and there they are. So I'm just gonna click on pairing, and then click on pair. And once they're paired, I'm just gonna click on this button right here on my controller and go back to my PlayStation 4. And you can see you can now hear it from here instead, the sound. And basically that is exactly how to connect your Bluetooth speaker here to your PlayStation 4.